Wow, good evening, creative minds. Welcome back to EB Graphic. So, today we'll be talking about graphics itself, that is, things about graphics. We're talking about element of good um, graphic design. So, you pay very attention and see how the class goes. First of all, graphic design is the art and practice of planning and projecting of ideas on a visual and textual content. I repeat again, graphic design or graphic design is the art and practice of planning on how to project ideas on a visual and textual content. So moving further, see, everything about graphic design deals with what creativity. You think on things to design. So further, we have elements of good graphic design. One is font. Font is talking about how your write up in the sense that it's not the kind of write up you write with your pen. These ones are already installed font. These are write up. Fonts are write up, installed write up in your Pixel app. Even in your corridor, you have it same like that. So look, let me show you fonts. If you should look at this place, this is fonts. Okay, now I have fonts here. Before this can appear, that is new text. You must make sure that before you can go to your font or make any changes, you must make sure that you bring in your new text, that is your text. So when you click on this now, you see, look at fonts. These are fonts. These are different kind of fonts: Abezi regular, R, abbreviate face regular, Allegria, something like that, Amaranth bold. We have many fonts. Those are right up installed in your Pixel app to make your work more beautiful, and even also it make professional work beautiful. And also when you are dealing with official document like designs, so I mean designs, when you come to display, you have, most especially, you can use chunk 5 for official things to design it, make it look very impressive to the audience and the people you are designing to. So that is it for that. um secondly, talking about colors are just let me say, colors are just paints. Paints, you know what paints means. Paints deals with what color. When you're talking about painting, it deals with what color. So now I will show you what color is all about. Now for you to see, we have color here. Color beautify your work. It beautify your graphic designs. It make more emphasis. It lays more emphasis to your document, like your graphic work. It lay more emphasis because with good color, like the listener or the audience seeing the thing you are doing or things you are designing, and you'll be like, yes, I love this color. First of all, for a good design to be okay, when the audience sees it with a good color, he or she will be impressed. Yes, this is a good color. I love this color. Even though some of the write up are not being okay, let me say the font used for them are not, but the color you used have impressed the person in particular. So color add more nature to your work. Color add what? More nature to your work. So it perfects your work. Look at color. Look at color. Colors. Now, if you should look at this thing, eh? I want to make a write up. So let me write able test. This is able test. Now, see, it has changed. This color. Hmm? This color. This color, and I've changed the color. Eh? This color actually. Let me change it to red. You can change your color. Everything I've explained everything about your menus, all those stuff, textures and all that, how you use them. So I've explained it on the introductory part of Pixel Lab. So now this is your color. Where is that color? So this is your color. We have orange, white, other colors. We have many colors. Much colors are here. You can change the one you want, depending on the kind of design you want to design for a particular client. Because at times, if you want to design for company, hmm, if you want to design for company, the kind of color, because some company has a color code which they like, hospitals and the other company as well, they have a color code, of which if you don't know their color code, you have to go to the internet and type the particular company, you type and get their color code. Color code are the colors which they use in designing their own. So let me place an object, shape. See, this is an object. eh so I can make this thing as my background. I click OK. So I want to add color to this background. See, I want to add color to this background. Now you can see this is red color. The other color which I can add to this, the other color which I can add to this, blue. We have many colors. See, colors depending on the thing you want to design. Can you get me? Depending on the thing that you want to design, that is when you know the kind of color you want to use. Just take note of that. That you can pin it when you are designing. You pin your box, you pin everything you are bringing in. When you are done with the setup, you pin everything. Don't leave it that way. So leave it that way. Now, thirdly, we are going to layout. Layout is a way, or is the process you place your text, your image, and other documents. You align it in a way it will be satisfactory, because you just lay out this with what arrangement. When you just make mistake in the arrangement, everything you are doing is rubbish. Because anything you are designing, because there might be a kind of design now you do, and you send it to a client, due to what the way you arrange it is not that satisfactory. So the client might reject it, or ask you to design or redesign another one for her. So that is it. That is the essence of what knowing how to make your layout. Layout means how to put your text and other things in accordance the way it's supposed. So just to take note of that and be careful when you are doing it. I will make, after this thing, I will make a just a design now. I'll make a design and you see what I'm saying about. So that is it about layout. Image. Now I'm going to image. Image is just like the way you place your image on your on your on your on your Pixel Lab. We have different kind of image. We have the PNG image and the JPEG image. The PNG image or the PNG format is just like that is the image I'm talking about. The PNG format is just like an image without background. So when you download it, it has no background. But a JPEG, it means a picture is already a picture. Nothing has been done to it. something has been done to it cannot be, except what you can do for you to remove the background of the JPEG. You remove the background from your internet or with your application. Now, listen again. We have different kind of image. We have a PNG image and what a JPEG image. A PNG image is the one that what don't have background, don't have background, and the other one is the one that has background. That is the JPEG format. That is it. So please take note of that and be careful with it. So I will stop here, and after this now I will make a what a design telling you on how to place your stuff on your work, or when you are designing. I will make a video which will lead you very well. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.